Welcome to lesson 2101 of algebraic concept. Change the form of a linear equation. All right, so here's our objective. Please read through the vocabulary, take some time with it. Okay, so graph x equals -3. -3. So whenever you have x equal to something, you will get a vertical line. Because no matter what y is, x is -3. So this is a vertical line. Graph y equals 3. Okay? Y equals 3. Y equals 3 will give you a horizontal line. And we talked about this earlier in slope. Okay, so rewrite y equals -1/2 x plus 5 in standard form. So standard form is in the form ax plus by equals c. So this is called slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So what do we do here? We put the x out front. You add 1/2 x to both sides, and you got 1/2 x plus y equals 5. So in this form, 1/2 is our a, y is our b, then there's no number in front of y yet in our c. In standard form of a line, you're not supposed to have any fractions or decimals. So what you have to do is multiply every term by 2 to get rid of your fraction. So 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1x plus 2y equals 10. Now we are done. This is official standard form of a line. Okay, so tell if this point is on the line. So this is our point because it's in a parentheses. We got two numbers separated by a comma, 1/4, -3/2. And here's our line. Y equals -4x minus 1/2. Okay, so let's just put it in. -3/2. Does it equal -4 times 1/4 minus 1/2? Let's see. -1 minus 1/2 is -2/2 minus 1/2 is -3/2. It does equal -3/2. So this point is on this line. Find the value of x so that the given point lies on the line. Okay. So this will be easy enough. We don't know what x is. So you have 4x plus 6y times -2/3 equals -5. So you have 4x. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times -2 is -4 equals -5. Add 4 to both sides. 4x equals -1. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X equals -1/4. So the point -1/4, comma, -1/4, comma, 2/3, -2/3 is a point that lies on the standard equation of a line. All right, so those were 5 examples. That was a lot of examples that we did for you in this lesson. Please meet me at the end of the video after you've tried to do the problems on the upcoming slides, and I will see you at the end of this video. Okay, find the x and y intercepts of the line and then graph. So the x-intercept. So when x is 0, we have the y-intercept. So negative 9y equals negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 9. So the y-intercept is 1/3. So now let's do the x-intercept in a different color. 6x equals negative 3. Divide both sides by 6. X equals negative 1/2. So our intercepts are negative 1/2, comma 0, and 0, comma 1/3. Okay, so let's plot both of these points. 0, 1/3 is about right there. And negative 1/2, 0 is about right here. And then we just plot the line. So we didn't have to find any form of a line or anything like that. Problem. Okay, 2. Tell whether the graph is horizontal or vertical. Well, there's no y, so this is going to be vertical. And here, there's no x, so this line is going to be horizontal. Write the equation in slope-intercept form of a line. So as we can see, this is point-slope form. Point-slope form will always reduce down to slope-intercept form of a line. I distributed the 1/3. I added 3 to both sides. 3 is 9/3 minus 5/3. 9/3 minus 5/3 gives us 4/3. You can leave it like that, or you can make a proper fraction out of it by writing plus 1 1/3. I would not mess with 1/3, 1/6, 1/9, 1/7, or 1/12 as decimals because most of them repeat, but most of your other numbers will work for you. Tell if the given point is on the line. Okay, so let's stick it in. 6 times 0.5 minus 4 times negative 2.5 does it equal negative 7. Let's try it out. This equals 13. It does not equal negative 7, so this point does not lie on the line. All right, find the value of y so that the given point lies on the given line. So we have y equals 4 times negative 1.25 plus 5 So I'm going to do a little fraction magic. I know that 0.25 is a quarter, and negative 1 and 0.25 is negative 1 1/4, which is negative 5/4. So the 4's cancel out, and you get negative 5 plus 5, and y should be equal to 0. So that was our final example. Thank you for watching this video. Please be aware that these videos are meant to be watched as a series. And if you like what you saw, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you again on the next video.